Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to cover how to install Xerox Phaser 3020 printer on a Windows computer. To install this printer on your computer you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require, where you can download it from and how to install it. So please come on the screen and follow the steps. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below or download it from its official website. Both are the same driver. After that, double click on that to execute the installer file. The installation wizard will be open up. You will have to click on install and it will start extracting the drivers. So you will have to wait here. Click on install software and then choose the preferred connection type, USB or Wi-Fi, then click on next. And make sure all the checkboxes are checked and then click on next. It will start installing the drivers, so please wait here. Click on finish to complete the installation process. It is asking to register the product, so you can close it for now. Click on exit registration. Let's check whether printer has been installed or not. Go to the printers page, click on start button, click on settings and then click on devices. Then click on printer and scanners from the left side pane, this one. And look at the bottom of this page, you will get Xerox Phaser 3020 printer has been installed on this page. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. It is so simple. So if you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.